Hi there, board certified dermatologist and skin wellness expert, Dr. Cynthia Bailey. And today I'm going to talk about one of my absolute favorite ingredients in skincare, and that's green tea. Green tea is a polyphenol antioxidant, and polyphenol antioxidants are a broad category of antioxidants that come from plants. So polyphenol antioxidants are present in berries. It's one of the reasons when you see a list of what are the magic foods to eat for this, that, or the other problem, often the skin, you see blueberries on there. So berries, wine, coffee, turmeric, tomatoes, soy, etc. The antioxidants are polyphenol antioxidants. And green tea happens to be a superstar for polyphenol antioxidants. And it's also perfect for applying to the skin because it's very cooperative and very useful. So in green tea, there are a number of polyphenol antioxidants. And the one that you want to look for is abbreviated ECGC, epigallocatechin 3 gallate. And that fraction of the polyphenol antioxidants in green tea is very well studied. It has real, credible, honest to goodness, grounded scientific evidence that it has anti-cancer benefits, anti-neoplasia benefits. And those benefits aren't just seen in a petri dish. Because yeah, okay, it's interesting when you see stuff in a petri dish, but hey, is it gonna work on your face? So yes, it's been seen in a petri dish. Yes, it's been seen on poor little laboratory animals, but it's also been seen on the human buttocks. So they took cheerful human volunteers, put green tea on some parts of their buttocks and irradiated their buttocks with carcinogenic UVB, and then they looked to see if the mechanisms of cancer formation were there, and if so, were those mechanisms mitigated by the application of a green tea lotion? And in fact, they were. So we have excellent scientific evidence that green tea helps to fight UV-induced carcinogenesis. In addition, we have good scientific evidence that green tea is anti-inflammatory. And so many of the skin conditions that I've treated over the course of my career that we thought had other explanations are actually driven by inflammation. Science is now hot on the trail of understanding all of the complex inflammatory cascade that either keeps us healthy or runs amok and wrecks things in our body and on our skin. And so conditions such as rosacea, acne is an inflammatory condition, melasma, which is the deposition of pigment on the skin, is driven by inflammation. I mean, that's kind of crazy. I mean, it's not just pigment, it's inflammation driving that process. Psoriasis, of course, rosacea, I think I might have said, of course, seborrheic dermatitis. I mean, you can appreciate conditions where there's redness on the skin, that there's a component of inflammation, but many of the common dermatoses I've treated over the course of my lifetime now have a big driving factor being inflammation. What's also interesting about green tea is that it's been found to be antimicrobial for the Propionibacterium acnes germ, abbreviated, thank goodnessly, P. acnes, which is important in acne. So it's antimicrobial for that acne germ, and also sort of counterintuitively, it decreases, green tea applied to the skin decreases sebum production. So it definitely has a role in a skincare routine aimed at improving acne. And as an antioxidant, it also fights the oxidative reactions that damage our skin that lead to skin aging. So oxidative reactions are reactions that occur because free radicals formed. Free radicals are these little rogue chemicals that are like little assassins and destroyers to skin structures and molecules. And green tea is a powerful antioxidant for helping to neutralize or detoxify those before they get at your DNA or get at your skin organelles, which are little things in your cells that you care about and you want to have in good shape. So green tea is magic in that regard. In addition, it's very cooperative for skincare because it can be concentrated in high amounts and applied in skincare products that actually get through the skin and do benefit the skin and don't leave the skin with crazy colors like pomegranate colors and turmeric colors and tomato colors. So it's a very cooperative antioxidant, and it's not an allergen, nor is it irritating. So sensitive skin types benefit from green tea applied to their skin. So pretty much every facial skincare routine that I create for patients, if I can encourage the patient to consider it, I put green tea in there to help fight acne and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from resolved acne lesions, to help control seborrheic dermatitis, to help control rosacea so that the inflammation of rosacea can heal and the barrier of the skin can heal with rosacea. Skin cancer prone skin, because it protects against skin cancer. I always include it in a skincare routine for my skin cancer prone patients. You know, we know with sun damaged skin, the skin tends to get red, it's inflamed, and the precancers pop up. And for many, many years, I have seen when I start people on green tea cream, the number of precancers they make, goes from, oh my gosh, there's so many to treat, to, oh wow, I don't see a whole lot of them now. And their background skin is less red. So I was able to observe this before the science came out because I liked the green tea for just inflammation, seborrhea, and rosacea, and I could see that in my patients it was also helping them very significantly have fewer precancers and skin cancers. So I'm a huge fan of green tea. I think, yes, we should all be drinking it. I have some every morning, but know that the body and your intestinal mucosa won't absorb everything that you're drinking in the way of green tea, because certain things bind the green tea in your intestine and don't let it come through your intestinal mucosa into your body, and you can actually only drink so much green tea. So because green tea is extractable and can be concentrated and put into skincare products, it is a great addition to your skincare routine. The trick is you want to make sure that the green tea product is made by a lab with an excellent chemist, preferably a pharmaceutical grade lab that knows how to stabilize the product. And then I would recommend considering adding it to your skincare routine. So I hope that helps. If it did and you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.